This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Alright guys, this is a 2009 Camry. So last year we changed the radiator on it and a bunch of other stuff, and at the time the heat and AC were working great. The airflow was really great, but not sure what happened after that. But a couple of months later, the AC there was no flow at all. Okay, the airflow was really bad, as if it wasn't working. So I looked at the blower and everything looked good. There's nothing really wrong. Then a month ago or so, I wanted to change the air filter in this car, the cabin air filter that's behind this thing. This is the glove compartment, and it's behind this. So we tried to change the air filter, and what I found is there are a lot of acorns on it. The chipmunks stored acorns on top of the blower. I mean, I kept hearing some noise, clicking noise, but I didn't know what that was. But it's the acorns that were piled up on top of the blower that was preventing the air from coming in. So a month ago we cleared that, and once we did that, the airflow came back. Everything was working fine. The hot air and cold air, there was a really good flow. But now a month later, it's happening again. We're hearing some clicking sound, and also the airflow is down a bit. So we're going to take a look if it's the same problem. Let's get started. Alright, hopefully this is going to help somebody out there that has a problem with the AC airflow in their car. So I don't know if your problem is the exact same thing or not, but check this out. This might be your problem. So yeah, I'm taking out the glove compartment and try to get to the filter and the blower. Alright, we're taking out the dampener that holds the glove compartment from falling off, and also we got to take out thing that holds the glove compartment on both sides. We got to push the glove compartment in so that it just comes out. You got to push it from both ends towards the center. Need a little bit of force to get it out, but it'll come out. Okay, it's almost out. Okay, this side is out. Just gotta push this side out. Okay, it's out, and at the bottom it's held on these plastic rods here. All you have to do is just pull it out slowly, and it just comes out. So the glove compartment is out. Now, here's where the air filter compartment is. So let's take that out first. Just gotta push it from the both ends again. It's kind of hard to see. Okay, it's almost out. Alright, so we're just pushing on these tabs to get it out in this car. So when we put it back, make sure this thing is pointing up. Let's take the air filter out. Alright, there's crap on there. Wow, it looks like some rat poop and stuff. I changed this just a month ago. It's already rat poop on it for some reason. Alright, so far we got just this many acorns on my top of my blower. But a month ago I pulled out probably at least a pound of these. So, but it was making that clicking noise, and there was a slight airflow difference between a month ago and now. So, but a month ago the airflow was so bad it looked like there was a problem. So as soon as I took out all those crumbs of the acorns, everything started working. So if someone is having a problem like that, just check your air filter and the blower and just make sure there are no stuff like this. Some I don't know, chipmunk or something put all this stuff in there. It goes through my where the air intake, it goes through that, and just I don't know why it keeps putting in here. But if somebody out there is having a problem, check this before you go by the mechanic. Okay, when you're putting it in, make sure your alignment is correct. So you got to put it the way it was. All right, let's put that cap back on. And also the cap also needs to go where the arrow is pointing up. All right, the cabin is closed. Let's put the glove compartment back on. All you need to do is just make sure you are okay. You need to make sure the glove compartment is sitting on these two plastic rods here. You gotta push it into it a little bit just so that it holds on like that. You hear that sound that it makes when it goes through that. Okay. All right, it's in. You just need to put the dampener back on. And the dampener it's spring loaded, so when you pull it out, it just comes out. And put that back on. That's it. Like that. Very easy. All right, so here's where the chipmunk was going in and putting acorns on top of my blower. And so you see this? There's no grill or anything here, so it could easily get in from here and take stuff. And it was putting on top of the blower motor. So if you put enough of these acorns, it just blocks the airflow. So that was the reason for my low airflow for the AC and heat. Thank you for watching.